Imagine this. You've paid your premiums on time. You trusted your insurance policy. And when you needed it the most, your claim got denied. You're frustrated, confused, and left with a huge medical bill you thought was covered. Unfortunately, this is the reality for millions of people every year. But don't worry, in this video, we're going to break down the real reasons why insurance companies deny claims, the sneaky tactics they use that most people don't notice, and most importantly, how you can fight back, appeal, and increase your chances of getting your claim approved. So grab a pen, take some notes, and stay till the end because this information can literally save you thousands of dollars. Insurance claim denials are more common than you think. A recent study found that about 1 in every 7 claims gets rejected, not because people did anything wrong, but because of technicalities, hidden clauses, or missing paperwork. The worst part is, many people just give up and pay out of pocket because they think fighting the system is impossible. But the truth is, you do have rights, and there are clear steps you can take. Let's break down the top 5 hidden reasons your insurance claim might get denied. Reason number 1, missing or incorrect information. This is the number 1 reason for denial. If your paperwork is incomplete, if there are spelling errors, or your medical codes don't match the diagnosis, your claim can get rejected instantly. Reason 2, pre-existing conditions. Insurance companies love this loophole. If they can prove that your condition existed before your coverage began, they may refuse to pay. That's why it's so important to understand what your policy actually covers. Reason 3, out-of-network providers. Many people forget to check whether the doctor or hospital is within their network. Out-of-network services cost way more and are often not fully covered. Reason 4, lack of prior authorization. Some treatments or surgeries require approval before you get them done. If you skip this step, your claim might be denied later. Reason 5, non-covered services. Some policies have hidden exclusions, certain medications, elective procedures, or experimental treatments. Always read your policy fine print. Let's be real, insurance companies are businesses. The less they pay out, the more profit they make. They know that most people don't have the time, energy, or knowledge to appeal, so they make the process complicated, long forms, confusing letters, and deadlines that most people miss. But now you're not going to fall for that anymore. Now, here's the good part, how to appeal a denied claim. When your claim is denied, the company must send you a letter explaining why. Read this carefully. Highlight the reasons. Save all documents. Sometimes a simple phone call can fix a misunderstanding. Call your insurance company. Ask for clarification. Be polite but firm. Take notes, date, time, who you spoke to. If they denied you due to missing information, get the correct medical records, doctor's notes, or updated invoices. Write a strong appeal letter. This is your chance to tell your side of the story. Include your name, policy number, claim number, and a clear explanation of why you believe the denial is wrong. Attach all supporting documents. Meet the deadlines. Insurance companies usually have strict deadlines for appeals, sometimes 30 days, sometimes 60. Don't wait, get help if needed. You can also ask your doctor to write a letter supporting your treatment. Some states even offer free ombudsman services to help you. Many people don't know that the Affordable Care Act in the US gives you the right to appeal any claim denial, both internally and externally. So if your first appeal doesn't work, you can request an independent review. The best part? If the independent reviewer agrees with you, the insurance company must pay your claim. Always double-check your paperwork. Keep copies of everything: bills, doctor's notes, authorization letters. Ask questions before getting a procedure done. Make sure your providers are in network. Never assume, always verify. I once helped a friend whose claim was denied for a surgery that was not medically necessary. We collected letters from her surgeon and primary doctor, showed proof it was critical, and after 3 months, the insurance company paid in full. The lesson? Persistence pays. You can win if you stay organized and don't give up. Remember, insurance companies hope you'll give up. But now you know better. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Subscribe to Claim Clarity for clear, practical advice on insurance and your rights, and share this with a friend, because you never know who needs this info right now. Thank you for watching. Stay informed.